Can you withdraw money from Chime Spot Me? Now, we'll be going over this. So, the Chime Spot Me is specifically an overdraft feature. It's not a loan or a credit line. Okay? It's basically Chime letting you spend or withdraw a little more than what's in your account. Okay? Up to your basically Spot Me limit without charging you overdraft fees. Okay? They don't charge you overdraft fees. So, technically, yes, you can withdraw money using Chime's Spot Me. Okay? You can, but subject to certain rules and limits. So, SpotMe is basically Chime's overdraft feature that allows eligible customers or users to overdraft their account, okay, without fees, and it works for several transaction types, including ATM withdrawals. So you can. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.